Now this wildflower area started off just as a muddy mound really. It was excess soil from putting some parts in the other part of the garden. But I cultivated it over, put in a lot of natural wildflower seeds, and of course they germinated. And with this wildflower mound there has been many different varieties. One of my favourite of course is poppies. And they don't need much of an introduction. They're vibrant flowers with lovely saucer-like shapes. They're just so very beautiful in the garden. They're visited often by my bees, which is just over at the back there, as they provide a lot of pollen. Not only are the flowers themselves stunning, but also the seed pods. Look at that. They're striking. It almost looks as if it's something from another planet. Now, collecting the seeds from the seed heads means that you can harvest the seed that produces your poppies the following year, and it's all right at your fingertips. I always think of the seed heads look something not of this world. Just take a look at them. The large bulbule base and the little fluted hat on the top. In fact, it looks like something from the Alien movies, but there isn't a face-sucking monster inside. Oh no. Thankfully, it's just full of lots and lots of poppy seeds. To collect them, it's really easy. You need a little bit of foil, like this. I find foil is really good because it enables you to create a receptacle really to capture the seeds itself. So I'm making a little cup just at the base, and when I've collected the seeds I can bend the end to make a flute, and that's really seed. So what I do is I'm just going to tap the seed head, bend it down, and as I start to shake, loads and loads of seed comes out. Now to store them I'm just going to use a tic-tac box to decant the seeds into. So I make a little flute and then I tip the seeds into the tic-tac box itself. Now the kidney-shaped seeds, although they're incredibly small, have many uses other than just being planted out. They can also be used to add flavour, texture and a crunch to a variety of different dishes. Now they're found in lots of bakery products all over the place in the shops, from bagels or lemon poppy muffins, but they can also be added to salads and vegetables as well. Poppy seeds are a great source of fibre, which helps you keep feeling full for longer, so it's great to help you lose weight. They're also a good source of magnesium, which helps with our bone health and of course with blood clotting. And calcium as well, which is really good for our bone and teeth health. Poppy seeds can also be pressed to make poppy seed oil, which has omega-6 and omega-9 fats, which have been found to improve overall health and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Don't throw the seed heads away once you've harvested the seed inside, because they're really interesting, and you can spray them later on in the year with silver, white and gold and crimson even, to make good, natural, beautiful looking Christmas decorations to use over the festive period. Now to pull it out, it's best to get your hands as low as you can, give it a little tug, and because it's dry it all comes out in one piece. So with poppies, they don't just make beautiful flowers, but of course they also produce seeds that have a multiple of uses in the garden as well as nutrition too. And of course you can harvest the husks to make wonderful winter displays. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share, and for more great videos like this one, please subscribe. Let me know your experience of growing poppies, and for more great information visit my website daviddomoney.com.